Hello everyone. Welcome to this session where you will learn how to perform the experiment 1B of Digital System Design Lab. You have already learned how to realize logic gates, which was the first part of the first experiment, and now this is the second part of the first experiment where you will learn how to realize a Boolean expression using logic gates. So the main objective of this particular experiment is implement a Boolean expression using logic gates. So before going to perform this experiment, you need to understand what a Boolean expression is, what are the different methods of representing a Boolean expression, and you need to also learn how to simplify a Boolean expression. So there are certain prerequisites that have to be met if you have to perform this experiment in an optimized manner. So you need to know all the rules of Boolean algebra and the Boolean simplification laws. So they are provided here for your reference. Along with that, you need to have a basic understanding of the different representations of Boolean expressions. You need to understand the terms SOP, POS, canonical forms, min terms, max terms, etc. So once you satisfy these prerequisites and you have a knowledge of these reference points, then we can proceed further with doing the experiment. So here we'll follow by taking a simple example circuit, and we'll try to form a Boolean expression for this and then implement that particular Boolean expression. Now, if you look at the circuit, the Boolean expression would be, so initially the AND gate A into B, OR gate B plus C, then AND gate B into C, then the next level of AND gate, and finally the next level of OR gate. So that will be the expression which we have to implement. But before implementing the expression, you have to simplify that expression. Remember this circuit, you can see a total of 5 gates in the circuit for this particular expression. Now, the next step for us would be simplifying this expression. Now, I have taken the same expression and I have tried simplifying it, and I have also shown here what all laws, Boolean laws I have used to simplify this expression. So now B into A plus C is the final expression which I got. Now I would like to implement this simplified expression. Now if you go to the implementation part, you can easily understand that we need only 2 gates to implement this expression. So I need one OR gate to implement A plus C and an AND gate to get the final expression B times A plus C. So now you can observe I need only 2 gates to implement this, whereas in the previous case we needed 5 gates for the same expression. That is basically the strength of simplifying an expression. The main reason why we go for simplification is to reduce so many factors like area, power consumption, increase the speed of the circuit, and all such things. So always try to simplify the expression and then implement it. So the apparatus required for this expression is you need ICs. So you need an AND gate IC and you need an OR gate IC. You need input switches. You need output LED. Then coming to the equipment, you need power supply, breadboard, and finally connecting wires. So these are the apparatus which are required. The procedure of how to perform this experiment is given here step by step. Please go through the procedure carefully and make all the connections according to the procedure. Avoid any loose contacts while making the connections. So I'll just show you the experimental setup here. So this is the experimental setup. So as I have already mentioned in the other experiment also, you need not place the components just like this. You can place it in any manner which is comfortable to you. This setup is given for your reference. This is the setup which you will get once you connect all the components on Tinkercad. So now let us see how to simulate the experiment. So before that, just I'm showing you all the equipment highlighted here. Then let us note down what kind of observations do we need to make. So here basically you need to verify the functionality of Boolean expression. So the main criteria for me here is I need to verify this particular column. So for different combinations of A, B, C, so that means if A, B, C are 0, 0, 0, my output should be 0. This is what I need to verify. That is what we need to do while simulating the experiment. So now let us go to how to perform the experiment using Tinkercad. So you can see the circuit here. This setup I have already shown you. So in this particular circuit, we are having 3 inputs. So I am using 3 switches on this board, and I have an OR gate IC and an AND gate IC, and this LED is my output LED. So now click on Start Simulation and then apply inputs to the circuit. So here, if all the switches are off, that means all logic levels are at, all the inputs are at logic 0. So now for the 0, 0, 0 combination, the LED is not glowing. The expression we wanted to implement is B times A plus C. So in order to get a 1 at the output, either B should be 1 or either of A or C should be 1. So now let me make B as 1. The output is still 0 because I want either A or C also to be 1. So now I am making C as 1. Now what happened? You can observe that the LED is glowing. Now let us make C 0 and let us make A as 1. Now again you can observe the LED is glowing. Now let us make A and C as 1 and B as 0. So the condition is not met. For the expression to be 1, B should be 1 and either of A or C should also be 1. So this is how you simulate your circuit. So once it is done, you can stop your simulation. So once you verify the functionality of this particular circuit, then your job would be to implement the other expressions which I'll be giving you later. So what is the learning from this experiment? We have learned how to minimize a Boolean expression using Boolean loss and realizing that expression using logic gates and verified its functionality. So as I have told before, the assignment would be you need to implement the following 2 Boolean expressions. So before implementing it, simplify the expression and then implement it. I need an optimized implementation of this particular Boolean expression. And here are some Viva questions which will be helpful to you for the Viva session of this lab and also for your placement interviews. Thank you so much for your patient listening. Hope the session is useful for you to perform your experiment.